In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Amazon points for discounts when purchasing items. If you click on Amazon points, then it's going to show you how it works, and it's very easy to use. You can use your points for different items, so on and so forth. So basically, let me just add an item here to my cart. So I'm just going to do this one, and you will then proceed to go to your cart. Once you have selected your cart, then you will need to proceed to checkout, and I'm just going to pause so I don't reveal my address. Okay, so in this section, it's going to show you the option to use Amazon points. So you will just click on use Amazon points, and then you will type the amount which you want to use, and then you will click on save and continue. And as you can see, Amazon points applied. This is the discount which we can get for the amount of points which we currently have. And then you will place your order, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.